guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received my Allure for November. If you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Allure for November just arrived. Now, if you watched last month's, you know I wasn't too happy with last month's. I just felt that it fell way short than most. So I'm really hoping this month is a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get in here and see, and we should find out. I haven't watched anybody's videos yet, and I didn't look at the spoiler email that they send, so I have no clue what's in here. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So when you open her up, there is their card that goes over the products with this gorgeous girl right on the front. And then inside of the tissue paper, there we have it. We have an e.l.f. product. I don't think I've seen e.l.f. in subscription boxes before, so that's a little different, but okay, let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we have. So let's go ahead and start with the first product right on top. So here is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And this would be, I would assume this is a full-size product. So let's take a look here. If this is the full-size product, this is $8. This primer glides onto the skin, creating a perfect canvas for makeup. It fills pores and gives you what really could be Instagram filtered skin. No visible bumps, no visible pores, just visibly amazing skin. The texture may feel thick and tacky at first, but trust. Period. But trust. Period. That this primer working its magic, and it will help grip the makeup to ensure it lasts all day long. Again, valued at $8. So we have that. Let's see what it looks like when you open her up. So there's the actual packaging. I always have to smell everything. And it is literally just a putty. There is a putty, and ooh, it's a little creamy, but, and I still smell it like it's gonna change from the first time. So let's see. I mean, it doesn't give me the thick and tackiness like it said it might, but I mean, I normally don't use primer, but I'll go ahead and try it out. So then the next item is Bliss. This Incredipeel Spa Strength Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. And it says that there are 5 pads in there. Now the original is 15 pads, which is for $19.99, and this is 5 pads. So this would be the trial size, but at least there's 5 of them in there, not like only 1 or 2. So it does give you a good amount to try out. And if you want to get the full one, you can. I like Bliss products, so I'm excited to try that out. Then we have here is Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. And I don't mind these small ones for eye serums only because a little dab will do ya. It's just right here under your eyes, not your whole entire face. So I'm not mad at this, but the full size would be that big guy right there, and it says $115. This better be a magic little eye curing serum for $115 for the full size. Holy moly. And the full size looks like it is a 15 grams, and this is not by grams, this is milliliters. So I'm not sure, but here's this product right there. For best results, apply under and around the eye area. So there we go. I'm actually excited to try this. If the full size is $115, this better be good. Now we have is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick. See, now we're back in action, Allure. Last month was all these little tiny little samples. Now we have like a decent sample, a full size, a Tarte product. Like, where were you last month? That's what I want to know. But here is the packaging, and there is the color. It looks like it is called Surfs Up. And I do not have, ooh, I like the color of the package. I do not have this particular type. I think I do have a Tarte lipstick, but it's not in the Rainforest Pretty Blue packaging. And all right, so that is very pretty. Oh my goodness, that looks very pretty. Let's get this swatched. Whoa. So there's that. And let me go ahead and just put these on these little girls right about here. Off with the old and in with the new. Let's get it started. It glides on very, very well. Very smooth. It's not getting on my teeth. I actually like the color on these little girls over here. So I'm actually really, really impressed with this. They gave me a color that I actually really like, not just like colors that don't sell like some companies do. So that is amazing. We have a full-size Tarte product, you guys. That alone is $21. That pays for more than this entire box. And we still have 2 more items. Allure is back. It's back again. Come on, Allure. Keep it going now. Don't just stop. Next we have is Thomas Roth. This is Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisture. This one for the full size, which would be a 1.7 fluid ounce, and this is a 0.67 fluid ounce. So for the full size, which would look like that, that is $52. So this is definitely not the full size, but at least it's a good enough sample for you to try out and see if you want to pay for the full size. But here's this product right here. And it says, drench your skin with a liquid cloud of pure, endless moisture drawn right from the atmosphere. And it says that it'll last up to 72 hours. Direction says, for best results, apply twice a day to face and neck. So it's just for your face and neck. So this would go a little ways, not a long ways, but this will go a little ways if you're just doing your face and neck. And then the last item in here is a Clean Sweep Curology, way more than a cleanser. It's an entire skincare set for free. Hit us up for the rest of the routine. The full size would be a 1.4 fluid ounce, and this guy, let's see if it says, this is a 0.5 ounce. So the full size being a 1.4 ounce, almost 1 fluid ounce bigger, and that would be $19 and up for the set. That includes the cleanser, a custom treatment cream, and moisturizer. So the set would be $20. So this isn't very, very expensive. So if you like it, at least it's affordable enough to where you can buy the set then for $20. And this is what the packaging looks like. And it says, part of the 3-step Curology set, Clean Sweep Cleanser, Custom Prescription Cream, and then Soothe Saline Moisture. Get 1 month for free at Curology.com/Allure. Massage into deep face and neck, deep face. No, massage into a damp face and neck. Use morning and night. Massage it in that deep face. Oh, my goodness, you guys. Okay, so Allure's back, you guys. They're back. I mean, they weren't going anywhere from my channel. They just renewed my subscription for another year. So I have it for another year, but last month was just a little underwhelming. This month, they've done so much better. So a little recap, we have this Curology, one of 3 step that they would use. So there's that guy. You have the Tarte, which I'm loving, that lipstick. We have this little Freeze 24/7 eye serum. We have the 5 Bliss peel pads. Then we have the Thomas Roth hydrating water drenching cream. and then the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. What do you guys think? I obviously, as you can tell, I'm back to loving my Allure, just like I know that they do. So that's the thing. Last month I was so underwhelmed and just disappointed because I know they do so much better. Last month was like, what happened? Allure, if you do not know, it's $15 a month with free shipping, and it gives you a value of $50 to $90. But there's been times we had like an exclusive skincare product that wasn't even out yet, and it was valued at like $60 to $80 by itself for that one item. There's been NARS, there's been Huda, there's just been so many exciting and really good brands that last month just was like, what the hell are you doing? But now they're back, you guys. So I am totally loving this month's box. Now, I don't have in here, like, it doesn't tell me like different variations. So I don't know if everybody got the same exact thing this month or if there was different ones. I'm not sure. Normally there are a few that'll say like either or, but this just shows just these items alone. So if you guys get Allure and you got anything different, definitely comment down below, let me know. And then also let me know what you thought of this month's box, you guys, because I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.